Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, Alexander Lexter Jules. Dito tayo sa post ni RM Left and Mylon. Ang sabi dito, ito, bitter guard. Pakinggang mabuti, sabi ni Nato ay Donnie pala. Hindi bro, my love team pa ako. Ano ba?
Bagong love team ko si Donnie. Bagong love team ko si Donnie. Anong pangalan?
May love team pa ako, kung kaya sabi dito, sabi ng papa at mama niya, respect. Iba ang love team, iba ang fantasy, iba ang personal life. Let's go
Bagong
watch
love
it.
team ko si
Gathering that you guys support me. I love all my family. I love all my family. I love all my fans. I always say that. If you guys are happy with people you should be with, you do you. Like, who am I to stop you? That's what makes you happy. As long as wala kayo tinatapak ng tao. As long as positive lang tayo. I mean, there's a way we can ship people with other people without having to fight. And I also hope you guys understand that I can't control every single thing. So if ever I don't end up working on a project anytime soon with someone you want me to work with, I hope you guys understand. And shipping in general is fine, as long as it doesn't become too demanding. But yeah, I love all you guys. And shipping in general is fine, as long as it doesn't become too demanding.
But ibang love team, right? We keep it separate yung personal sa to. We keep it separate yung personal sa to.
So yes, it was Donnie as well saying love team is not a relationship, it's a work relationship, not a intimate relationship. Now, kung ang love team dediretso sa lovers, that's another story. Pero yes, sabi ng parents ni Donnie na si Mr. Anthony and Miss Maris Laksa, we want respect, and a love team is different from reality. So, kailan man to sinabi, ang sabi dito, keep it separate, yung personal sa trabaho. So, syempre, tao din naman si Donnie. And so, what is love team? Nire-respeto nila since it's a show business daw. But then, it's quite separate from yung totoong relationship kung meron man si Donnie. So, let's hear it from the parents of Donnie. Ano naman, friend silang lahat, and then soon kung lovers man si Belle at si Donnie, so pamilya na sila. But then for now, dito tayo sa, grabe itong mag-research kasi si Bishiwap, kung saan-saan gumagala at kung ano-ano nakikita, tuloy, nakita ko na rin. So I will share this with you people, just for us to, of course, sabi nga ni Mr. Anthony, dapat may limitation, may boundary, o diba? So, alamin natin saan dapat ang boundary natin as fans, and respeto, sabi ng mama ni Donnie. Kasi nga, sabi pa ni Donnie, may love team pa ako, bro. So, since may love team pa si Donnie, let's go, Donnie, it's okay. Ang sabi nga ng mga fans mo, we are so happy na binigyan ng proyekto si Maymay and Donnie. Kasi nga po, hiling lang nila to noon. And then heto, nagkaroon nga sila ng project together. So masaya sila for Maymay and Donnie. Sabi pa nga nila, pleading to the other fandom na wag na tayong mag-away-away. Kasi nga po daw, maging masaya na lang tayo. At binigyan sila ng proyekto. At ang sabi dito, nasa na ba yun? I want to read that for you, mga kaibigan. Kasi nga po, it's best na talagang we are working together as one para mapalago kung ano man ang meron at mapahit sa takilya ang proyektong Roja, mga kaibigan. Sabi dito, huwag na kayong mag-away-away. Maging masaya na lang kayo sa mga idol nyo at may ibinibigay pang project sa dinami-dami ng artista na papasama pa ang mga idol nyo. Maging happy na lang kasi. Another one. Sabi dito, 13 hours ago, huwag na sana tayong mag-away-away pa kami na mga Maydon fans, masaya lang na magsasama sila sa iisang proyekto. Labas ang totoong buhay nila dito. Dapat natin respetuhin yung mga artista sila, ito ang trabaho nila at karapatan nila makatrabaho ang iba't ibang artista para din ito sa mga idol natin para maging mahusay pa sila kaysa mag-bash o magsalita ng di maganda. Dapat i-congrats na lang natin sila. Pasalamat tayo na sa dami-dami ng artista, may mga movie at teleserye pa silang natatanggap at pinagkakatiwalaan ng ABS-CBN. Kung mahal natin ang mga idol natin, walang period, walang kama ito mga kaibigan. Kung mahal natin ang mga idol natin, kailangan nating magkaisa upang maging maganda ang kalalabasan ng series na ginagawa nila o rating. Kesa mag-away, suportahan na lang natin sila. Mga fans lang tayo. Sila ang magdidesisyon ng gusto nilang mangyari sa buhay nila at hindi tayo mga kaibigan. So yes, dahil dyan, syempre, in line ito sa sinabi ni Mr. Anthony Pangilinan about private life and fantasy and showbiz life. So let's go listen from the parents of Donnie Pangilinan for us to have an enlightenment. Ano ba talaga ang dapat? Ano ba talaga ang dapat boundary at limitasyon natin? At kailan tayo dapat kiligin? At kailan natin i-embrace ang showbiz life nila sa personal life nila. So let's go, and ito na po sila, the parents of Donnie Pangilinan.
We have to mag-usap tayo myself. Okay, let's talk to our child as a parents. Meron kaming Viber group, parents lang with our children. Meron Viber group with our children na career naman. Right? When you have a love team in show business is business. But you still have to be professional. So in the case of Donnie, for example, pag meron siyang love team, we still follow very strict rules. What is professional, what's acceptable, ano ba ang boundary. Now, yung personal na relationships ni Ella, ni Ron, ni Hannah, sa kanila yon, right? We separate that. So, while ano ba sinabi ni Walt Disney? Simple lang sabi ni Walt Disney. Sabi niya, fantasy and reality overlap. Yun ang challenge niya. For fans, for people in the industry. Kung minsan, hindi na makita yung pagkakaiba ng dalawang fantasy and reality. Kaya nagkakaroon ng personal lang.
But the most important thing is respect. We will respect both the person and...
So yun po mga kaibigan, ang fantasy versus reality and showbiz versus personal life. So, eto, Bitter Gird, pakinggang mabuti, sabi ni Nato, ay Donnie pala, may love team pa ako. So, dahil dyan, dito nag-umpisa yung mga research ni Bishop, mga kaibigan, at hanapin ano bang nangyayari, ano bang meron, at kailangan mag-research ni Bishop. Dahilan po yan sa pagmamahal niya. Sa pagkakaroon niya ng syempre pantasya doon sa pagkakaroon ng project ni Donnie and Maymay. Bilang parents, we should know our boundaries and limitations. Sabi ng mama niya, respeto. But I don't think these Maydon warriors are crossing the line because they know exactly kung saan sila lulugar, mga kaibigan, and that they are so tawag dito vocal about being happy na magkakaroon nga ng proyekto, at ito na nga, nagkaroon na nga ng proyekto itong si Donnie and Maymay, and they are just after for a project at gusto nila makita yung chemistry nila together sa isang project, mga kaibigan, and they're not after sa relationship kasi alam naman nila this is just a project and this is honing the skills of these individuals. Itong cast na ito, si Donnie and Maymay and Kyle and everyone in the cast. And it's a good thing para to make them grow more sa industry. And so, hindi naman sila talagang we are after a relationship of Mama and Donnie. So, hayan, klaro naman. They know their boundaries, they know their limitations. Aso nga lang, syempre, pag nandun ka na sa plaza, nag-aaway-awayan ang mga fans dahilan sa medyo bitter nga yung mga comments ng iba. So, mapapalaban din talaga ang Maydon Warriors to protect Maymay from bashing and to protect Donnie from bashing. So, ayun, sa mga fandom, tama nga din naman, ang sinabi ng dalawang grupo sa comment section ko na magkaisa, magtulungan, intindihin kung anong klaseng trabaho meron sila. They are public figure, they are artista, and it's just right for them to work with so many artists here and there, just to show to the public that they are flexible, that they can do everything. Not just one kind of genre, but every genre. Kasi kung artista ka, dapat all around ka. Pwede kang umiyak, pwede kang tumawa, pwede kang galit, pwede kang ikaw yung victim, o parang ganon. Pwedeng ikaw yung psycho, parang ganon. Para makita ng lahat na ikaw talaga artista, dapat daanan mo lahat ng proyekto na ganon, at hindi lang for one specific person. Kasi pag one specific person, maybe this person is just good for crying, and then the other person is just good for laughing, the other person is just good for hindi niya kayang gawin lahat ng pwedeng gawin. So, it's just right na talagang ipapareha sila sa kung sino-sinong mga artista para mailabas nila yung galing nila sa acting, mga kaibigan. So, yes. Agree ako dun sa papa ni Mr. Tawag dito, Mr. Donnie Pangilinan, na talagang show business is a business. And that, dapat separate yung fantasy, from fantasy to reality, mga kaibigan, para malayo sa complications. Kasi tao din sila, and then hindi natin pwedeng hawakan sa leeg sila kasi fans tayo. Wala tayo doon, out tayo doon. Nasa kanila yun, mga kaibigan, as to what they want to do with their personal lives from their showbiz lives. O, diba? So that is our latest update. Thank you for that one, Bishop. It's very enlightening. Talagang parang wake up call sa lahat na ang artista ay artista. Kahit love team kayo ng 14 years is like Kathniel, darating ang panahon na magkasawaan, maghiwalay kahit may relationship pa, diba? So that's the beauty of an artist. They can do whatever they want, they can work with anyone they want, and as long as yun, happy sila sa ginagawa nila, yun na yun. So yes, magandang madaling araw, mga beshi ko, para kay Maymay and Donnie. And yan po ang latest for now. I will share with you more later. Syempre, pag may nahanap ulit tayo sa Showbizlandia, mga kaibigan, na worthy po na i-share sa inyong lahat. Anong sinasabi mo, Kai? Someone special has a message for you, Wish Arts, and we've always said Kai and Kyle truly appreciate all the love, presence, and effort we give. And hearing Kyle remind us to stay strong only proves how much they value our support. This is Kyle Echari para sa kanyang fans, mga kaibigan. Nadaanan lang natin. Kaya, let's go, Kyle.
4 months na yung Wish Hearts. My God, I love you all, Wish Hearts. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Stay strong. Stay happy kayo lahat, ha? Mwah! 4 months.
So, that is Kyle Echari para sa mga fans nila. Sa kay Kyle fans nila, mga kaibigan. Alexander Lexa Jules, yan po muna ang ating pa-morning update. Magandang umaga!